Once upon a time in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a donkey named Donnie. Unlike any other donkey in the village, Donnie had a special talent: he could sing. His voice was surprisingly melodic, with a rich tone that echoed beautifully through the fields. Every morning, as the sun peeked over the horizon, Donnie would start his day with a song. He'd serenade the cows in the meadow and the birds in the trees, filling the air with joyful melodies. The villagers, initially puzzled by the singing donkey, soon grew fond of his morning concerts, gathering around to listen with smiles on their faces. One day, a traveling performer named Clara arrived in the village. She had heard whispers of the singing donkey and was eager to see him for herself. When Clara met Donnie, she was enchanted by his talent. "You have a gift, my friend!" she exclaimed. "You should share your music with the world." Inspired by Clara's encouragement, Donnie decided to embark on an adventure beyond the village. With Clara as his manager, they set off to perform in nearby towns. The duo quickly became a sensation. Donnie's charming songs brought joy to everyone who heard him, and Clara's flair for theatrics added a special touch to their performances. However, not everyone was pleased. A jealous goat named Gregor, who fancied himself a performer, grew envious of Donnie's fame. He hatched a plan to outshine the singing donkey. One evening, during a big concert, Gregor decided to interrupt Donnie's performance, bleating loudly and trying to steal the spotlight. The audience was taken aback, but Donnie, with his gentle nature, simply smiled and invited Gregor to join him on stage. "Let us make music together," he said. Surprised but intrigued, Gregor hesitated before reluctantly accepting the invitation. To everyone's amazement, the two began to harmonize. Donnie's melodic voice blended beautifully with Gregor's brassy bleats, creating an unexpected and delightful sound. The audience erupted in applause, and Gregor realized that he didn't need to compete. Together, they created something special. From that day on, Donnie and Gregor became an inseparable duo, performing across the region. Their concerts attracted larger crowds, and they even started to write songs together, drawing inspiration from their adventures and friendships. As the years passed, Donnie became a legend, not just for his singing but for teaching others about the beauty of collaboration and acceptance. The village that once whispered about a singing donkey now celebrated the joy of music that could bring even the unlikeliest of friends together. And so, the singing donkey and his newfound friends continued to fill the world with laughter and song, proving that sometimes, the most extraordinary talents can emerge from the most humble beginnings.